Welcome to the Southern Maryland Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Southern Maryland housing market, which includes these areas. In January, the nation added 113,000 jobs. While this is lower than had been expected, like December, the weather may have played a role. Over the past 12 months, the U.S. gained 2.2 million new jobs, led by growth in professional services, leisure and hospitality, and retail trade. The U.S. unemployment rate decreased to 6.6% in January from 6.7% in December. This is the lowest unemployment rate since 2008, but is partially due to people dropping out of the labor force. Nationally, the weather may have dampened activity in the housing market. As compared to last month, new home sales, pending sales, and new construction starts all decreased, while existing home sales increased slightly. But both new home sales and new residential construction were above their year-ago levels. The local economy lost 1,400 resident workers in the 12 months ending in December. Still, the unemployment rate decreased to 4.9%, a level not seen since 2008. Like the nation, local housing market activity was mixed in January. Closed sales increased 6.1% from last year for a total of 244 sales in January. This is the highest January level in 7 years. But new pending contracts decreased 8.6% from last January to a total of 362 contracts. There were 1,944 active listings at the end of January, almost 13% more than this time last year. Despite the gain, the number of homes for sale remains tight and is only 52.4% of its 2008 peak. New listings continue to contribute to an increase in inventory and have risen from the prior year for 16 consecutive months. There were 523 new listings in January, 3.8% more than this time last year, and the highest January total in 4 years. At $240,000, the median sale price is 4% higher than this time last year. The median days on market is now 56 days, 14 days less than this time last year, and the lowest January level in 8 years. The polar vortex and snowstorms may have kept some potential buyers inside, contributing to the decrease in pending contracts. However, the number of closed sales increased from last year. Seller activity continues to improve and active listings and new listings increased. The median sale price also increased and may encourage more potential sellers to list their properties. The rest of the winter months may yield similar patterns for the housing market if the weather remains unsettled. That's the Southern Maryland Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.